What I like about Park 566 is that it's kind of like that place where birds, if they're on their way somewhere else,
Yeah.
they stop and pay a visit and they say, okay, that was nice, but let's move on.
So how do they end up in Park 566 with, you know, all of this grass over here?
There are a few shorebird-like birds that like the grass, like Upland Sandpiper and spotted sandpipers I find in here quite often.
Yeah, so were you excited about seeing the Upland Sandpiper?
Not really, because I don't know how rare
Yeah.
it is to see a Upland Sandpiper here.
Uh-huh.
So, okay.
Yeah. Can you tell us about one of your favorite birds that you've seen here?
It's a tough question.
Yeah.
But I like killdeers.
The killdeer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I like killdeer's song, and we saw chicks.
Yeah.
Yeah, of killdeer on
So cute.
this area.
Right.
A whimbrel one time, which is a pretty big shorebird with a long drooping bill. Purple sandpiper, which is very rare, and they like rocky shore. Very exhausted scarlet tanager just sitting there on a chunk of old steel.
And then do you know why this park is called Park 566?
Yeah, every park, well, I don't know why those numbers, but
Yeah.
every park, before it gets an official name, is just given a number.
Oh,
Whatever.
so in other words, what you're saying is this might be called Dan and Harumi's bird park one day? Yes, I think so.
I say a little prayer for you. Forever, forever, you'll stay in my heart, and I will love you.
I wouldn't touch it with your hands.